Hello, Math 24 students. I wanted to introduce you to week 4 that's coming up, and I wanted to make a couple comments about the home page. So hopefully you've noticed that there's a link to the Zoom videos. So I record when I go over the quick quiz and any questions that people ask during the Zoom, and I post the recordings of the videos here. So if you click Zoom videos, then you can pick which quick quiz you would like to see the solution for. Let me ask you though to please try the quick quiz on your own before you watch the video. Yes, you can just copy what you see, and I'm not sure how much you would learn that way. So much more learning happens if you try it first and then use the video to make any needed corrections. So I also want to warn you against using just the to-do list to see what needs to be done. It can help you plan ahead, but it only has the things that have points associated with them and not any of the learning materials. So you won't even see the learning materials unless you go to the module. So then I also want to point out that you have a calendar, and I'll have to look and see how you see the calendar, because I can see the calendar from the home page, but you might have to go to this button and click on calendar. And then when you do, you will see your class, and it's color coded. You can change the color that you pick for the class. But please notice that the calendar gives you a really nice visual of what's coming up in the week ahead. And I have also started adding an event of the discussion board replies being due. I can't put two due dates. I can't put one due date for the putting your original response and then a different due date for the replying to your classmates. There's just not a way to do that. So I put the due date for the Wednesday so that you remember to go put your original post, and then I'll be adding an event to the calendar that says your discussion board replies are due. So you might find the calendar helpful. So I just wanted to make sure you know it's there. And now I'm going to go out of the student view. And show you that you can scroll down to the button link again to the module if you want to go straight to the module. And then it will take you there, but this always happens to me. It jumps and then jumps back. So I've learned to wait that couple of seconds before I click anything because it's going to jump. So this is the video I'm making right now, the intro video. And I'm going to organize each module in the same way. Here are the Canvas assignments for this week. Quick quizzes, Shine quiz, discussion board and journal, textbook homework, lecture video quizzes, and your filled-in course pack notes. So quizzes are first. Here are the 2 quick quizzes and the Shine quiz with their due dates. I am not requiring you to do assignments, but to just view them so that I know you've at least clicked on them and seen them. Then the discussion board post also has view and the journal has view. The textbook homework I want you to view, but after the first 2 weeks of working in the modules, I don't require you to click on all of the learning resources anymore. I trust that if you want to know the answers to the Chapter 7 questions, you will click here. If you want to see the more detailed solutions, you'll click here. And then I have some problems that students have asked in the past for me to work them out, and so I've made a detailed solution and I put them here, and I just wanted you to see this one so you would know what it means when it says a section number and problem number and solution. It's my solution written out as if I was a student. And then this is the last week where I have textbook pages copied for you. After this, I'm hoping you have your book because this will be 4 weeks into the semester. Then we have the notes, video quizzes, and publishers' PowerPoints. So this week's work is section 7.3. So I'm having these video quizzes and course pack notes due when the homework is due. My work pattern would be to do the videos and notes before trying any of the quizzes and homework, but I have left it open to you to decide how to use these materials. You can go ahead and try to do all of the quizzes and homework without looking at the videos and notes. That's up to you. And then there are always PowerPoints available from the textbook publisher if you would find those helpful as a review. So please let me know what I can do to help with your learning journey. It's a challenge. Learning this material in the classroom is challenging. Learning it online adds an extra layer of complexity. So hope you have a great week and let me know what I can do to help.